Hi, my name is Tamira Amarasinghe. So I would like to start this by thanking the principal and the coordinator and as well as all the teachers who have supported us till now. So as a batch 1 student, I will say that this is the best the best O-level crash course so far, because like from the facilities to the way teachers explain us, and they are really friendly as well. So we could even ask questions without any problems. They are really friendly, and yeah, it's really good because we are completing a 2 years a syllabus with 9 months or 8 months. So it's a hard job. So I think the teachers did a really good job, and the coordinators and the principal also, they arranged this really well. So I think this is a really good pathway for us, and yeah, I hope to join more stuff here. Thank you so much.